Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how I painted a simple card, floral card, and for that I will be using Artefacto watercolor paper. This is just a cut from a larger sheet of paper. I will glue it on top of MDF board just to prevent it from warping. And also for the watercolors, I will be using my own set, Sky Blues from that. And I will be also using a darker brown from a different set of mine. And one Gogh metallic set. For the brushes, I will be using Panart Mop round brush number 8 and Raphael number 8 round brush. I'm gonna start with picking up some turquoise and painting in a very light wash for the petals, and you can see I'm leaving some parts white, not painting the entire petal. And then I'm gonna pick up some bronze metallic to paint in the center, and again a little bit more of the turquoise adding to my petals. And if I touch into the metallic color, that would be fine. I will have nice bleeds, and topping it a little bit more while the paper is still wet, adding a bit more of the pigment to the petals, just blending them together, making some parts a little bit darker and some parts a little bit lighter. And I'm going to do a couple of splatters with the bronze, just trying to make it look like it's a floral on top of the other floral. I'm gonna do a lighter splatters in the lower part and a little bit more saturated in the upper part with the darker blue. Also gonna add a bit more details to my flower, especially at the central part nearest to the, I guess, center of the flower, and around at the edges. Also gonna pick up some darker brown and painting, add it to the center. It will bleed into my petals. And also gonna paint in the stem and some leaves with metallic bronze. And if you do have too much bleeds, you can just always use your paper towel to pick up the excess paint. I'm gonna go around my petals with bronze just to do some borders, not the entire way, and also with the darker brown, but just some parts. A little bit more of the turquoise. I'm gonna add it and then soften the edges with just the clean water. And gonna do some veins on my leaves and also some branches to the florals I've painted. Tapping in with the tip of my brush those florals. I'm gonna use an ink pen. This is a Stabilo ink pen to write in the text, and this is also water soluble ink, but you can use waterproof ink if that's what you have. I'm gonna add a little bit of the ink just for the finishing touches, also to the petals of the flower and borders of the petals, and I'm not gonna do the entire way, just gonna add it here and there randomly to add a little bit more of the interest and to round up, finish my flower. With those last details, I will be finishing off my card. Very simple. You can use any colors you like. You don't have to use blues. You can use yellows, pinks, whatever you like. So I hope you enjoyed this video and it was a nice idea for a card. If you do like it, please hit the like button, share it and comment. And if you haven't still, please do subscribe to my channel. I have many tutorials for beginners and also advanced painters. And for real-time, in-depth tutorials, you can join in my Patreon. I will link it in the description box. I have many tutorials also there in real-time, step-by-step tutorials. So guys, thank you so much for joining me today, for painting with me, and I do hope I will also see you next time. Bye!